Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Hope you all are doing fine and safe in this pandemic. Now that we have got little relaxation in the lockdown, we can definitely go out and buy the necessities. So I have gone to the IKEA Hyderabad store for a little shopping. So today's video is all about mini IKEA haul. Let's start the today's video with my outfit details. So this is a red color material that I got from Narsing Hyderabad and I got it stitched from a local tailor. I have paired it up with a beige legging and a white dupatta. I got this footwear from Luna Blue West Side. So this is my outfit details. This is a red kurta that I got from Narsing. Paired it up with a beige legging and a white dupatta. Got this footwear from West Side. So let's start with the mini IKEA haul that we have today. Now that everybody is working from home, it is very important for us to have all the comforts at our home. So I have gone to the IKEA Hyderabad store recently and I have got few hand-picked items for my work from home. Let's start with the recent purchases that I have got from IKEA in my last week's trip to IKEA Hyderabad store. So let's start with the first product that I got from IKEA. That is this vacuum flask. This is used to store the hot water. So these days it is very important for us to have lukewarm water all the time. So this comes with a 1000 ml capacity and it stores hot water and cold water also. The second item that I got from IKEA is this cute knife sharpener. So it's often tend to lose the sharpness of our knives. So this knife sharpener helps us to sharpen our knives timely in the kitchen. So this is a good buy from IKEA. So the next product that I have is this garlic grater from IKEA. This is a steel one and it does not get rusted. So it comes with a compartment like this. You can put your garlic and it crushes this. It looks like this. So the next one that I have is this nice juice jug that I got from IKEA. So this juice jug can be used to serve the fresh fruit juice that we have. So the next product that I have is the storage boxes. This comes with the lid separately. I'll leave the link of all these products in the description box and the price that I got it for. This comes in different colors: orange, blue, pink, black, etc. So I picked up the orange ones. This can be used as a airtight containers to serve your snacks. The next cute product that I got from IKEA is the sticker labels. So they come in a pack of 50. They come in two sizes. This is a small one and this is the big size labels. So they can be used in the kitchen to label your boxes. So to show you the sample, this is how we can label our transparent boxes and also can be kept on the steel boxes. The next product that I have is this cute bottle washer. So this comes with a sleek handle like this and this can be used to clean the water bottles. The next best buy that you have in IKEA is this kitchen towels. They come in a set of 6 colors and a size like this, which can be used handy in the kitchens. The next is a set of cutlery items that I got for 99 rupees. So these come with fork, spoon and a little knife. And another set that I have already started using is this cute little colors of spoons. So these two are the cutlery items that I got. So the next item that I have is the set of 6 glasses. They come in different colors. This also comes at the price of 99, which is very worth buying. The next product that I have is this dustpan and brush. This also is for 99 rupees. So this comes in different colors like orange, green, blue, etc. So this can be used for carpet cleaning. The next product that I got is this remote holder which we can hang on the side of a sofa in the living rooms. So this comes in blue and black color. I picked up the blue one. So this comes with 2 compartments like this and you can put your remotes, etc. I already started using this, and this is one of the best buys from IKEA. This also comes with a phone pouch here and 2 compartments like this. It's washable and it's very durable. The next product that I have is this cute little hangers. This comes at very affordable price, that is around 90 rupees. So let me show you how this looks. This is just a showpiece, and this comes in 3 cute colors like this: pink, gold and blue. This can just be used to hang your chargers, earphones, etc. The next is I got this pair of candles. So IKEA is always famous for their scented candles. This is a banana flavored candle, and I got a rosemary small one as well. I have already started using this and it smells the best. So these are the candles that I bought. I recommend you to buy the scented candles in IKEA. The next product that I got for home purpose is this screwdriver kit set. These are 2 separate products. IKEA has various collection of these things you can check out in their store or website. So the next one is this dust remover that you can use it for your shirts. I got it along with refill packs as well. So my husband uses this for all his shirts when he goes to the office. So this is also one of the best buy from IKEA. Do try it out. So the next one is this famous kitchen rolls that you get it in IKEA. I think most of you might have known about this. So I got around 10 to 12 of this to fill up all my almiras. So this looks like this when you open. It's very easy to clean and it sticks to the surface so nicely. I think this is one of the best buys from IKEA too. So the next product that I got from IKEA is this chain holder. I luckily picked it up when it was on sale. So you can use it to hang your chains like this so that they don't get tangled and are very free and easy to pick up. I got this for around 79 rupees when it was on sale. This is also one of the best buys from IKEA for girls especially. So the next product that I got from IKEA is these 2 cute elephants that can be used as a decor. They are made up of brass and they are of very good quality. This is also one of the best selling items in IKEA. Now comes all this work from home stuff and few best picks that I got. This is a iPhone USB charger that I got from IKEA. This is available in different colors. So I got 3 of these for all of us. And the next one is this laptop LED light that can be used as a USB cable and it shows up the keyboard or the screen. This is very flexible and it's only for I think INR 200. So the next one that I have is this 3-port charger. So this is a 3-port USB charger that can be used for different plugins that you can charge your phones, etc. I got 2 pieces of these. So the next one is this bed bulbs with automatic sensor off. This is also one of the best buys from IKEA. So these bulbs have an inbuilt sensor and when you have more light then it gets off automatically. So that way you can save a lot of power. The next product that I have is this dusk alarms. This can be used as a clock displays and this has timer, temperature, alarm and also acts as a clock. So this comes only for 200 rupees. So I got a couple of them to give it as a gift for any of our friends. So I got 4 of them in total that can be also used for gifting purpose. So the next product that I have is this alarm clock that I got from IKEA. This has an inbuilt wake up light as well. Let me show you how it looks. So it comes in a cute size like this. You can also hang it to the walls like this. So this can be used as an alarm clock. You can hear music and all the clock features that you have here. This is also one of the best buys from IKEA. The next one that I have is this lap cushion. It comes in 2 colors, black and pink. Unfortunately, the pink was out of sale, so I bought this black one. So this comes with a flexible cushion like this, and you can carry it like this. So the soft cushion has to be on your lap, and the laptop has to be placed in this hard surface like this. So you got to use it this way. You can here. This is also one of the best buys and fast moving product of IKEA these days. Last product that I have from IKEA is again a laptop table. This comes in a cute blue color like this, and this is very easy to. So this is how you put it. So this is also worth buying in this work from home times. So this is how we can use this product as a laptop holder. So one of the next product that I got from IKEA is this cute pots that are priced at around 80 rupees. I got like 5 to 6 of them. They are available in red, white and black colors. So I have got the plates under them from IKEA too. You get 6 of them at 99 rupees. So this is how I have set up my balcony garden with the pots that I got from IKEA. So these are all the pots that I got from IKEA and planted rose plants in it. So the next product I have from IKEA is this children's drawing board. This comes with 2-in-1 blackboard and also the slate. So this board comes with a 2-in-1 feature. One is blackboard and the other one is the whiteboard. So you can sketch here with the help of crayons, and this can be used as a blackboard. So this is the chalk pieces that you get along with this. You have to purchase them separately. This can be used on the blackboard. This is a set of crayons that comes with the duster inbuilt. This can be used on this whiteboard there. I got another pack of the similar crayons. This comes in a set of 4 cute colors. This can be used on the whiteboard as well. So this is one of the best buys for the kids in the initial days to help them learn. That's it from my today's video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle.